When it comes to improving your home's appearance, comfort, and long-term value, siding plays one of the biggest roles. For homeowners in Troy, investing in professional siding installation is one of the smartest decisions you can make. While DIY projects may seem appealing at first, siding is a major exterior system that requires precision, proper tools, and a deep understanding of building standards. Choosing experienced siding contractors in Troy ensures your home gets high-quality craftsmanship that lasts for years. Here are the top benefits of hiring professionals for your siding installation. Superior workmanship and long-lasting performance. Siding must be installed correctly to protect your home from weather, moisture, and structural issues. Professional installers bring specialized training and hands-on experience to every project. They know how to prepare exterior surfaces, handle different siding materials, and install each panel securely. This eliminates common issues such as uneven alignment, gaps, warping, and premature deterioration. With expert installation, your siding will maintain its beauty and performance longer, giving you peace of mind and saving you money on future repairs. Access to high-quality materials. When you work with a professional siding company in Troy, you gain access to top-tier materials not typically available at standard home improvement stores. Quality siding products, such as vinyl, fiber cement, wood, or engineered materials, offer better durability, fade resistance, energy efficiency, and weather protection. Professionals also know which brands and styles perform best in Troy's climate, from harsh winters to humid summers. With expert guidance, you can select siding that not only enhances curb appeal but also withstands the elements for decades. Improved energy efficiency. Properly installed siding acts as a protective shell that helps regulate your home's temperature. Gaps, cracks, or improper sealing can let air escape and force your HVAC system to work harder. Professional installers ensure your siding is fitted tightly, sealed correctly, and paired with the right insulation when needed. This helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature and reduce energy costs. Over time, the improved energy efficiency can make a noticeable difference in your monthly utility bills. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. Your home's exterior is the first thing people notice. New siding has the power to completely transform its appearance, making it look modern, clean, and well-maintained. Professional siding contractors understand design, color coordination, and architectural styles. They can help you choose materials and hues that complement your home and increase overall market appeal. If you ever decide to sell, professionally installed siding can significantly boost your home's resale value and attract more buyers. Protection against moisture and structural damage. Moisture is one of the biggest threats to any home. Poorly installed siding can allow water to seep into walls, leading to mold growth, wood rot, and costly structural repairs. Professional installers follow strict installation methods that prevent water intrusion and ensure proper ventilation. They also identify any hidden issues behind your siding before installation begins. By addressing these concerns early, they protect your home's framing and foundation from long-term damage. Time savings and stress-free experience. Siding installation is a labor-intensive project that takes skill, planning, and the right tools. Attempting it on your own can lead to delays, mistakes, and unnecessary stress. Professional contractors complete the job efficiently and safely, handling everything from preparation and installation to cleanup. You get a smooth, worry-free experience and a finished result you can trust. Warranty protection. Most reputable siding manufacturers offer warranties, but many require professional installation for coverage to remain valid. Working with certified installers in Troy ensures your materials and workmanship are protected. If anything goes wrong, you have support and coverage you can rely on. Professional siding installation in Troy offers long-lasting beauty, improved energy savings, and reliable protection for your home. By choosing experts, you invest in quality, durability, and peace of mind, making it one of the best exterior upgrades you can make.